na district magistrate no atena so na wakoma se ma che no atena so ma o se yemfancho antona so no dia o se ne yin film ndi o mo multiple no ye o mo atwom de more than one
okay
and am so exceptions no ye o mo a e be challenge wo mo ana se bia o mo ye to be trade o mo film o mo nti o mo atati bo biem sanko for say do mato exceptions list no.
Okay, tini nyina na ekabo ma mpemaduasa no 30,000 no.
Me figures me increment me I don't want to put the exact figures there
but doc na wo ka say exception list no comprise wo ebu mbre bi so emra be important doc.
They say answer na botchre wudi no. No so we Ghana ni. Endi se won Ghana ni ko chori a no bi challenge wa bom na so asa ko chodi na wanya mfie du wotwe ndo ko chodi na wanya mfie du wotwe a wa bom na so anta ko chodi na so chodi wa bi a wote nti ya wonte wona ko chodi so bi challenge wa na se wonte man ko asim yan so bom na so ndi da mra me nsa we na specific.
Okay, but oma ya challenge wo mo no so far ya timi atena wo mo nyina case no so anasela ebi pende
ya challenge no bia no ya tell me you so much ma what I say bia what Adum FM I'm on house number about coffee or guys want to I'm on telephone number mobile man zone to and then area the dinner boho so tell so if you are what the boho do say within Rwanda okay you bo ma no yen san come ko na contact don't mind na wrong but do na the omo appeal before the committee na produce amento
I see. But me aboyen with breakdown no ana unkuta figure because na ke be say constituency breakdown na regional breakdown say 30,000 no emu 2,000 free region way emu 1,005 free region way
ana prayer na of me on the figures na increment.
Enti akoba say no ya do qualify wo mo no say afia bato no mo ntimi ento a next 4 years then SS afo no wo mo ye
to say ubako akọ object to within what exceptions list and multiple list now appear before the district magistrate and just to say yamfancha no untu aba as long as this rate there 100 years when engineer rate now object success we are untu aba.
But disqualification, the involvement of the political parties. One want to say, 30,000 year, you disqualify woman, and a decision solely by the commission.
I'm not say the challenge you be a this registration review committee. This registration review committee, no. A letter commission officer of 1 year member secretary. This is police commander or a member. This is data education a member. And none one person represent one. Now, all political parties are more active, no more representative also. In the BAC, there was a party rep or Transubi.
I see. Okay. In terms of from the various political parties, Sanya, what you mean?
So, sir, I'm not clear. What to be not say, tense in the mama drama. Not the decisions and man qualify. Then Ebia I wouldn't want to ball party manager and not a partner small but Nasubino.
Tenants and only the and commission no and from so
any commission take that decision no into my mom composition of the committee no.
Yes.
And Sanko for apart from electoral commission no. The police, the GS, the traditional leaders and the political party no man the trans no more chairperson. Don't chairperson about here now. One will be a commission the answer on your secretary. The American over here.
Doc, on the election day, that year to Abano, Sani pay I disqualify woman. Quite many a befast one who say, DJ 1 hour tea would the line him, but you are disqualified. Are you also so you are disqualified? No?
And the Obako police station, one no. No exception listener can so police station, if you are at the hall. Multiple race and so the whole. In the main race and so the whole. And your first time, 10 year station there, multiple lists for exceptions list for and some main register and so. And at this time, transfer down is a person transfer voters, absent voters list as well. Because while I apply for special voting, another transfer, no, maybe I'll kill the only trouble will be absent voters list. It's only mean I'm going to now polling station. The other a secret. Okay, we didn't a man of market say, we didn't know and the other will be this year.
Okay, but Doc, Southway, quite so to me for more and no prosecution at all. Anna.
Oh, if you might go jail, because if you were jail, but
hey,
it depends on you could jail the other. It depends on, I know, committee bar, or maybe we are now, or my bayano, we are more interested in a civil one. That's a bimu go to further to Chelena. Well, look at the government, we are also to report to my police. I'm let you know. Take off the be
okay, but some here, you don't qualify me. Quite be anyhow. I bet me a masutre, send a bayer, mean to crime free her, and call a chima chances and a quack or twaba, and then I'm a time baby percon. Quite be anyhow, sir.
Yo, Menoka say, sir, while we are multiple is out the manner. The go ID card me. And I mean, we are multiple station, we are no longer the cards and do them.
But maybe I'll just want to test the process, I should say.
And I'm saying, to Tini and June to mine, and not do Yami. Because I'm not doing as I would do as soon as a so much as and what I see here a police station in the court one. And so we are exceptions to that. And I'm going to challenge you, do appear before committee and be what some now. Say, oh, more, a group of committee be a seminal. Committee be all move for. And or call appeal the only a chief executive officer, only a high court judge. Now, high court judge doesn't be enough for. In the second one, we are.
Okay, but if there's an instance, Mako appeal, na Mako dibemwa, how do I get back on the register?
So, I know the order from the a part of the system, no. And do you appeal the committee, no, you appeal committee, no, na. Chief executive officer, chief executive officer, or high court judge, the judgment be a commission, and the law is there. Within number of days, we also implement it. It is a year over 10 of the now we implement it.
Well, yeah, away from the disqualification, printing of the ballot papers, no, to me, Shasianra.
Like, notice the poll, no, notice the poll, we are in printing of ballot papers.
Oh, okay.
Notice the poll, no, I don't know, actually, the way ballot paper, and I can see it. Nti mfoni wo so the position wo party original we independent now so mo symbol na bi na wo so and then no dey me wo jidi say by Friday dey na set the mu kom both presidential parliamentary
okay
e we are na say obi ajutu mi say sana tia experience ya draft kan the member no presidential one na me share political party for na military omuntu go man also the symbol no amaye ebe ni din no and the was plano no man said the plano no the main for example say apalu na ye no festival kofi apalu was the kofi festival apalu the symbols na do na ye ni kama anti ni party for next year the presidential there and no one finalize
okay
the set up into the not to the no open to phone after that one I'm going to the ballot person. The president at the almost we are through. Parliamentary on one stadium so more draft no madam ya say be there come on the bar you know say ya send for the aqua regions no na bit of the no ahwe on many parties na say be there no council and sana the category 20.
Okay, me gidi say through when you know political parties no wo mo ye involved say na be ya o kire bi Emeka say what did you maybe at the blind side
and Emeka say presidential one no and memenda no the draft by the party for the HCI ama comment ni ndo say yen and then ra me say sure do comment from yen memenda no be sure say say yen no and we are no assign. The master signing and the other any problem.
Okay, but
the be transparent. But they are still, I'm not going to say, mistaken, election, the other bubble charge. And they are no Martin.
And you are ready for those accusations, Seba.
And I'm going to send a more example there. In fact, I noticed the podium. They are draft. They are shaking the Sina Murets 2 each. Omunaba, they now go through. Also, Mr. Bono, where you say, a picture no way, and you look at my picture by and say, yeah, and I am a not a picture no. Obuan Dino, Ebi, I say, spending a blue party being a sister. I guess I'm in and rise, I share more than a bachelor. What's every near the Banacas, they be a picture and I say, Bibian, yeah, they say, yeah, it's been upon the law, but still when you be our Obama comments be our own. Obu man say, one comment to connect one baby.
Okay. Matthias, but one question on the disqualified lister. Na me no kan ho asemi. I dey be publish list no. O man disqualify o no, mo be publish ma yetimi ehunu.
The publication say go presentation one na da ho no wa ko be.
Oh, okay. Enti aside polling station ho ne dey nya dey be hu list no ba bia.
The law no running Canada.
I see.
Some guys wow we are involved no. One guy na what you did me no. So you make us what you did me.
Wonim.
Uga, so uga. The one that can be me no. No one go president. Send one object to India. Now we do automatically as matter. And now we appear before the committee no. On the ground says, a challenge you are so to challenge you. They are challenge you. Now before committee, another committee say, no one take steps here now. And then I was so I wouldn't. Do be involved in to be catch one. Because the challenge you are who want to challenge you, no more grounds, no. And we are multiple one or here and Ukra cardinal. To the moment there card near more than one penny, automatically someone say, income, teach of object to the name. I'm so far, and I am sorry, in the book of William. Because I was in India.
Some
but recent one disposal of we. Yeah, combined 6 times. Obama says now, or claim me.
6 now, the new
6 now, hey. What nay, multiple, no, what the moment about to be on there on professional name writer. For the buyer, no, the buyer, no, Jim. I my bumper Jim, we send us something to that. Yeah, some more. And I tell them, would you know why I never do now? Because 2019, yeah, registration in Grand or Sukuti, or office where head office were. Obi or more security service, but some judgment, but to dominion different institutions. Almost a uniform. And on by. Don't buy any some questions on some from that. Now, and I odd because we are more security service. There were 40 plus. Not only doing that, I'm okay. Therefore, call VMS and fast traffic. What the two are Yaba. I say, me really free. Security service president, competent for young. So, it is why the now you request for replacement. But I don't imagine system into almost a diamond.
And then I may be son, Obi 100% test the system, no. And I say,
Kai, who's put your system so we are there. I am what boom last war. So, and be a boom and supposed to test. Say, and go be idea was a test of the
Doc, I'm DJ Kwan. I'm say what say candidates are disqualified or more entity appear on the ballot paper. Concerns are more raised, for instance, Databa Nafi Ura Gani. HS Mama Wamu Kwan. The necessary corrections are and so one more year or one more forms in the mono. One man yet and that you've not been fair to them. What it is our concern, see. We are saying.
Mr. Question will be saying, Omo jitu say bi mama omam ndo se no nyom na tane no mo na tama omo no omo jitu sa na So would you do beside the not quite say you could be out, no. Yeah, I'm kind of the my police. So would you do the and the argument there no. So among you no different issue. But would you do say who could be signature there and I'm not quite them. It was technical errors in but also, so why would you to say, who was signing by Obia and Pacono on your way? Because signature put there, me, you to compare, so the man I'm signing. Yes, that's quick, but so endorsement not to option was in time. It's not in law.
Now, you say, Oma, disqualify and not just on the basis of IT issues and RBB, or fake it will be signature.
Fact me now, that is the suspicion. And admire police forensic examiners, I confirm. Indeed, I'm not police one too. Very soon, I'm very invited to Nomako.
Okay, but so far, how many court suits and commission in Monsaka?
Commission linked me because so for on this restriction, Yana.
On that disqualification, no.
Oh, one amati, but I wouldn't want to put that. We are handing them over to the police.
Okay. One every one home.
Yeah, I wouldn't want to go into that. The man said. Sir, Omabu Amraso, forgery offense. In the Rama police, in the very soon, the police will invite them.
But for instance, Jataba says, Nipa no Simon or one of friends say, we join the treaty, and no some from Sono, ye the boat or no Jatabano. Doc,
you don't invite me now to the police. Enjoy your car on the police over. So, police watch you are with the investigation. Omudo. The mechanics will be anywhere. One on the based on the weekend. Yeah, and I'm there. You're preparing about Tano. Yeah, the man police was in check. Signatures for 400 time here, and the police are confirmed there. Open the town was inside here. The man police forensic economy. The man police one, they will be invited. It's also quick on the and yet all come on permission to time. It's not allowed. And over appear now technical people know applications on a time here. And the owners that was who come here, wow, Obanasa would done one other kind of honestly council, the victim. So be able to know you come and prove that on time here. The evidence will show.
Okay. Doc, I know what's in the offense here.
That's it, I'm sure.
Dr. Shubo Kweku, Director in charge of elections at the Electoral Commission, Amineno, Atreche and Komono, Adom 106.3 FM. Video be circulated on social media. His Excellency the President. Supposedly, him for being near TN, so one more air pamon, one more runo, near Yatiano, no, a brow call, Pon Catamanso. But Mamene Emmanuel Nati. Or ye consent naughty or ye naughty mum Emmanuel naughty or ye PRO at the consent youth boom Katamanso meneno and twetwen komo yima et saying
I don't know mo
ye ho ye pa question na wo hobby
bojo na mo
e dey ni see yima
oh bibi boni bia an sheda an si mami kle niama mienu wo he ansa na matua me sem so
okay
nkofo si nyechi amekasa ni se video na trend on social media say yehine no embu president one ina other things are eka na trend on social media no enu pa tina youth no me gina anu work nkrom we mu tina pese yen kasa eni Ghana fo kasa na class ade no wo he enu tina be kasa nti yen twa so.
Okay, it's a fee, Bomamania, a day, see.
Near see, ni say Sunday, no, Namia Dum, President Abedu, Punkatamanso, Yanya District Hospital, no, Punkatamanso for Yensu Namia Dum, Yanyebi, President Abafefe, Wabe, or in another way coming, or no, so I welcome you, or in no kama. Program no, I started, ya try so fine. Ya kosa obian kasa pay for na ba nya be kata copy time e ba ni say yen ko ne ko kati sort for program ya do wono nia ohini ni kan ni say project ni e fe kama no kre ba onya ka do ade ni ti no ye ni story building man anka onu aka so hine e opon kataman so aka ne beji nti usha video na e trend na ohine no ye no ni nkofo bi kasa say ade na ye be ye no nyame ado no onya ni story building aka be ni fe by the way ya portray video no on social media any other image say ohine no pamu president from leaving our land, that's not the issue.
Video I mentioned is in fact a for a video no abet me joining me on Facebook. I don't know 6.3 FM. Ewo Facebook. Me hunu one was share a ifita wo niti so no one.
I know front to man.
Ono front to man. Na asa wo toto nensa huja nensa sa say ko free hako asa bibi sa no not what you saying Yima
yes sir who are wonim your paramount chief no normally or bon komo a otumi ye ni sasa enye ewo ebufo kwan so say oni president na gina o oni president na kasa on to me tutu ni sa the way nkofo e kan ni ade o social media nra na president abakun paramount chief asakinu so about another draw and those kind of stuff. It's not the best. Yes, I know a macro nankasa bon din nankasa no a din where say ye I dream say ye be disrespecty ye man penny ye hinu and ye I dream say or baba ye me nkofo edi to social media say ohina no on pamu president or see project na ye baba ye no onyanka ye see no story building e ma no enu nti na hu say o kasa na pay for ni kasa say at least say open story building ade no e ama contractor dada in pay for ye we duma dada nti at least say owo issue with project na about story building ade a onto no bo na ohun contractor no president kwa kan che ni say sad the end there obema we hu contractor no contractor na kasa nti wuhu bibi o social media na e bi oye ni sasa na enu che say o saki president from leaving our land.
But Ima Emra Okasa wo big agenda so ewa Dum TV correct? Good. And I will cramp wo che say wo be press conference dey tia wo hene no nti ade na afia no pai wano anso saying
wo che me press conference na e be ye ni say ade na ko ye say obi aka say impinfo back on na the kind of attitude be ye hinu no done edi towards impinfo na eba no na ko say nkofe ka say konfo ye mbuade ye hini emma president respect nti sa na kro nti ye mbuade nti ye see the way ade ni koso na e koso no esa egu omanu fi egu president ofin nti ba be ye president e be ye press conference excuse my language within this week ya na yanka san chese mu magana for na sampa o man penicho say the way nkofo fi say or president ye sakino from our land it's not the way the issue is sana me patire the press conference there never see bia or china na by
president yeah what can say wo be press conference apa man peninche send your hini ye no wanye ni ye is that correct?
Imeka sapa
okay na fe aden
debut neti ami mi chairman of power say on because we share near a course so Sunday na and the one nkofo nyina afa asem na nkofo frefe me across the country obi e ka say chale mu hwe yi o na the way ade no konu mu an hwe yi a time will come no president di ni number 30 ebe step po asase we so ntina e pese yen yes press conference na yen patcho na yen make sure say the way ade no e bia e koso ewo mu sa na sa de na akoso ewo mu sa na sa de na akoso no ye be press conference na e de si ano na e de gum e de dum sa de no kwa se na be ya peni bia back konkro we mu a se be ye kra o ye hini ono ntu no bo no ntena se na ye penny spokesperson no nkasa ma no nti na nru a ka sa asem no news no
Yima before sa short cutting yanka e ba su kwesi adai short cutting ba e bia koso pen concerning the same project ebi akoso pen Yima
bese semi kai kra bese mienu bi what you say
under which administration abenya
o abenya ba mami ka bi baako enye se nko to wa enu ankofo ka se ye ni nu ye NDC ni na on PNP asem ni ade no enye sa na etie o impefo aba eko obi aba na dwen o what is o hini no o kasa kire no ba so tan se impefo no ko a ebi omoni an sheda anje ho nti omukwa na ye ahifo ni impefo no na ebi omo akwasa akodresi issue ni se na be ya issue ni be efe ba enye se bibi boni bi ana akponfo katamasofo mboade ahifo no ye nwe djuma they also come out ebi omo another apology just to give to the president and the entire country on beye but I'm speaking on behalf of the youth ni say nye ko so Sunday no ye youth na kasa no anye ende ye ni anje ho nti yesu e be press conference yesu ya pa ye man penicho
Ima
yes sir
jina soma me why na tie we mame me wi am no be kasa me no be to aso tie we mame
yo there's one ko mo say be kasi so na ndada ni adie politician ni pa ni ama na omu di nam na omu di of kasi so di nam no nte of the reality of the physical project ya odi ni be hu o kan do to say ampa no kanu said the some or energy or kasama oni na ba o said the way akasa ni ko in the way akasa no ni shinshi ni kesi ni kasa na ho di ha ko no na ko se obu se on samo ye man ni no o bu ni se dan ko asa mu no kasa no o bo mu na oni nya e hwe no won se on the president we see kiasi you know ni be kasa ni nya wie ye ba mi danya mi asi edda ni nya kufa se da president officer and we are also media for no mudi camera places le ni mo no obianji camera ni fi o no ni ye hini ni ka no ka so ni se onini ni who go to man down since 92 who go to man down ni o mo who go to mo for years ni no omo na ni ba no mo disease who go to man people from kataman so that is also ye ba no ye be count to me ba be see hospital amount na me show go say the next 2 years na we are doing ni ni 2 years eda enimu no mesa dakro we mu na me no nya ba be bi hospital anu amakon kata manso ina okansa nti okasa wie na okọ ni ni won ko si ni pẹ̀lú suke professor ni mi ko no mu ko hwe project ni se na be ti asa na mu wi a na o ma ka fi so ni o mu ju wona contract and start so ni the project ni be ko ni ade ni o ni se yes na yes ti ade ni story building which you say is making some sense but we need to mean kasa yo wo kwaso we need kasa se be ya nya wo kan kra se en kana jinwa obeti ya kwa jugulu se ni papa wo ya kan bi na mechi ya found ba ko se tabi ko men to kwa wo se mi sana stand ni ade o ma le pa president ni ka fi so o ka fi so ni no o fi de bi o mo jina wo kan na se no ina president be jina ni ka no ina o suma se ye free the paramount chief man no ni ni bon komo e se mo president e free o se ni nya ko studio o se so video se bi o wo de bra e wo be sna mi ka no mo na en tie bon ko wan no e wo be mi na mi ni wa wo nim nya ni fa ni ba be kan ti se o si on ba o se bi o tumi share video se post on social media o tutu ni fa ni ade e president no e ye fe ye o e ye ni
wo Ima
yeah
na just video na ba bonte ba bia hu se asa ohene no o checha se mo toto ne nsa ni nya sa president friend se ko mra no ne nkasa na
president friend so person ni nkasa
ana apa meba apart from there na waka ne edwanu mu ene ba bia o mo kokate sword no o kaaye no still ana president friend se ko ne be kasa na afedi o sono bo no
me see na president dynamica no for over 3 to 4 minutes no dynamica no ewo obuo kwan so a ofre the paramount chief on bra no ni nkasa na ojina ho
Ima
yaza
oti
meti ya pa
why na ka say
mia
wa na ka say
But you're any,
and run you.
yeah.
It would change someone run you now will can TV so any other paying someone will can radio swap a bebra and I won't start.
Oh, a boy, son, no credit, and back.
But you and you know, walker. You told a different story, and walk as for and a paying so as some totally different crown and a pay work at them in a material way. You
know, who tell me, Nyauchi and running Nyauchi and Nyao, Nya Baco. Me person, men no coin of for no. You see, week we are the barber church and seminal, they are yet press conference. Not Ghana for ya, Hatia here, and a bear should deal with him, yet he, the president, and the uncle for. Afa issue now afi there a trend of social media now and for boom bread or mine any Ghana your president you know na ya yi side and if you it's a bear press conference nye wo mu bia muba mo asubeti why
but confirm me when me answer na meja kwan e no kure se emre omampani kate sword ni wie ye no okogina ne kan ho frɛ wo hene ne se wo mra ama hene no anko se ne no a wo kire mu TV so no e no kure
bocho e no kure no kure
Medas mame found here.
Medasi.
Emmanuel Noti, PR concerned youth. Boom. Katamanso. Mamene the NPP parliamentary candidate for Boom Katamanso, Hobson, Yauvi, Adoye, and Chechen and Komo. Ya hope.
Yes, sir.
Boko die.
Boko.
Question now hobby.
Question. Na me president eba me koni sabi na me introduce president on Bekasai.
Absolutely. But then pa ne see from your point of view, Hobson.
One nipa me ba so no kasa no kasa about this issue na.
Yes.
Anu what's it no president.
Hobson.
Me ti ane so what's it no kre.
Hobson, question no e dey ne see.
Me bisa say only obi akasa for issue you hu.
No but
and what did it? The te no me te so say no kre. Anam se dia de no say no kre no.
Se utimi ka kire me na esi kwasi ada na fe yabania nsemo Emmanuel.
No adwuma me ne wan na ye. Okay, what the one can me mind you know and my main candidate.
Thank you.
President Eba had no more Sunday. Purposely cutting off campaign sought for municipal hospital and you know in the form of devil of chiefs and the people you know not just as you say what they sort cutting no it was so Namiadum program BBA also the paramount chief was there all other chiefs from the traditional council ebaye among for bakama BBA ye kama ye shots here, ya bompa ya Paul Abeshin. Paramount Chief Ekasaye, what the near Ihiano at the Truja. Say ya quine, or Kase secondary school, the only secondary school I walk yet day, community day, no, president in She, now 1 year of boarding, Emmanuel, and in the Kaika, or concern number winning, we Emma, Minister for Health, Dr. Kuboy Kasaye, Minister for Education. Obekasaye, Foreign Affairs Minister Ekasaye. I know more friend me. And I make introduce President. President Kasaye will respond to the Paramount Chief of Kanye say, or the Bekwadun Bimu, that was stressed a few weeks here. Or Munya na dom na Punkatamanso or Muntuman PP, no more opportunity, na member representative or our parliament. Ya view winning and ya crossing prayer. So as you see a move echo the echo kate can say sword no that the move call honum ya kate sword and no much the architecture design you project na send ye beye and paramount chief ka say onyaya that ya no story building send ye beye ye benya say all the time ye betimi dia ye and the president yes asem na work and wajitum enti contractor din ye one engaged contractor no mo hwe ye mo beye Anna, I'm saying, honorable Ajay Branson, Ekacho, what we the annual mamma say me uncle. Anna, but ye can saying, my back home, Ejina, Paramount Chief, Echi. Me shed that in the money ye. I know Stachi say, I didn't know, what President Ako, one a ye kata, or no, and a year, or started the door on. Ye program, President Ako was trying to come. The president practice they do what you know. Was she from Grafin come with what is happening on you? Yibia cost of honum and the what's in a come. There's another short cutting our Tema after road an extension from Tema interchange to Central University. Say you better the dual carriage, send you better traffic at that prison or ever. Mr. President come and your honum so short cutting. Adeja medija omokwa no omokwa tema na mzio eti se bi misi bebe hwe chire ntino meja omo ana omokoye afede ni eti ya ni se omo se promanche apamo akufu ado ne ayi se wa reject eye project ni ne kaka enye do kre so ni eti no enye do kre ba okra
but Hobson enye no kre say there's been a first short cutting regarding the same project, Abenyi by Wakati Sword.
Short cutting. Wakati there short.
Maybe some.
Okay. On Wakati. You see, NDC for New Omoyeno. Etina, your constituency has you lucky development. I don't know your lucky development. But now Kunyesu NDC occupied this seat for 28 years. You can't say company be a friend sent you. That's why I say Kobesi Ward. And your complete hospital, your health center. It's in Kobesi Ward at Yama Center. No. And no, I don't know, Nipano or your Chinese. And a coronavirus, Okoko Lokoye, Wanjimamba, where your government project, I would say, every district should have a district hospital. Every district should have a district hospital. And no, I'm a president, Abba, Obabe Katisot. Baby and Casantio eba beye no ward no eye kese what they attach health center no we so the health center no e wo different places where they akoye we no e wo different places unim the traditional councillor the nimusa ana yesi hospital no so when they no eti me nim near NDC for epe near ye pese e kan e kire obia ne se enye no kreda me no kase mi wo pon ani ye kase eti enye no kreda ebia the business ho you know minimum onye sada wodo ne de se bibini na se no ye na obeka ne se de sete o you be a o ye plain so on de no no so sa draw ye kan se draw we de ye tibi ye na abrosan a enkaye so on de no
okay
yewo mpanimfo bi wa ha che bra na wo mo no ohene no mpanimfo bi wa che o pa mfa ma ba ko na o ne
Hobson one na mpesa me no kasa
enti se ma kire mo wi
okay
nipa na ne kasa no o se de we fun ta asa wo no mi enko ye ni
fun no maji wo wadin kire enti ehun yesi be kwa asem a yima be kan no
CJ wonim akonya na wote so no you are helping the nation building.
I know Hobson Adoye
meba
I know
some of these things are ebetwen or minor kwachire no aya esese yetimi ade na sifom ne ma manfo hu se no sade we ya woye eyo man boye ade na woye ne ede o man be koso no esese koso he wo mo mutipon ha se ya wo mo agire o mo yesa wo mo dim se sebe the image of their paramount chief is at stake ana wo mo dim sa
Hobson Hobson
the development of the community as a whole what would you say is at stake
Yauvi Hobson Adoye, thank you very much. Parliamentary candidate on the ticket of the New Patriotic Party. Boom. Katamanso. And I mean, no. Atwitwe and come on. We are live on time 90.9 FM one soko. Udru Bechemu so high radio 103.1 FM so any Dry Kwantan so charity 99.9 FM and we are live Takrade Good News FM. Seshi Debiso Vision FM Yeji and so Tienka Ewo Alive FM Pandai so Udru ha Asase FM. Omebiem Tamale ABC Radio Sunie and Kwanzan so Echa FM Otienka Ewo so Shedwabo so Radio Rainbow and so Otienka Midru Fia wo fie ewa chamada ene mpatemu icheche obi a wotie wo da free Jamaica eko Kwantanum eko Old Town New Town Potem ho obi a baby out here nke free bia no ye chicha so and Free FM so what Techiman Elmina so etienka ewo Asafo 99.1 FM intina chede ye chicha ebusanfa wo tie yen ewo Edna ye chicha won nyina hye so mam UMB da obi ase se woni UMB na eto kese edidwuma ye wo moa enti na over 48 years ni no UMB egusu gina ne nanso wakoso ahyebo se wobesom no kurem ene ahoden mu ama won so sika se mon tutu ye nyina no etimi asiye hyene so sa ama UMB we value you more se we refia Fiada 6 na fei kwesiada 8th November ya the EcoBank Joint News Habitat Fair at the Bro Accra International Conference Center. It's that's for affordable housing beyond the rhetoric. And Shannon so say we exhibitor and also person who say charge media mo COVID who say ni na dey go akwan so na fei u follow on social media no hashtag Joy Habitat Fair. So open chemo na wasem bi se bia frɛ 0546908179 and 0244340431. EcoBank and afa sa dwumadi ehon eka aboafo GHB Properties experience affordable luxury DBS roofing papa perfect Duraplast where Duraplast goes water flows. The planned city extension project rent to own. Adama for no wamasum Total Trucks Club achede cash mchitesika afei fuel ye book more free ye kasika no ultimi enya group personal accident insurance cover worth up to 6,000 Ghana cedis and on the hospital bills ne ka ho ni na no ultimi editwa wo ho na afei ye wa chede de ma adawafo enum a ube invite womo na woma beka club no ho nyina no ye ma achede na afei busumi bia driver for ahasa 300 womo bo mo homodene pa no ye ma mo free fuel enti taxi drivers trotro drivers mo fa mo ho enche Total Trucks Club ubo ra Total filling station bia no a ya register card and the amount free na udem Jack join the best club in Ghana, the Total Trucks Club. Total Trucks Club e bosso keke Lakia
Kwagu
Eurade
CJ Memoachi
Mejoso
na we interviews ya waya no pay mienu meboa Emmanuel Naughty
my interviews me answer
okay me de mati mienu
esa me ne sebo kwaku akasa
ampa na no so na me wa hanti
Emmanuel Naughty nso so
Naughty akasa na ne Hobson Adoye Yauvi ono so akasa Dr. Srebo kwekudie no de ne ndo wa kyerɛkyerɛm na pon katamanso ena omampani koye so wokokate sword meboa ena wo hene ya wo ho no wo ye se emfie bebreni ya asempundudwuma wonya bie afei na ye ba betwa homam ayede aso bebo fom se ye ba besi hospital de ama wo mo nenka hospital no so kra ye ba besi no ayese onya na borosan a enka wope na nabrosan na wonya ya nka wope no eno ne ho ne ensana na wototo wiem no ema ye pa ne cho wonya botre ene ho nkro ne ba no ana biem wonya nabrosan ya nka wope wo mampani se bra nana mame ne nkasa wo se gon wo mampani tutu ne na kogina ne ka ho se nana empre maako enan ekonum se mete Abrantie no Emmanuel Naughty ne interviewer or granting ne nura e wo big agenda so Adum TV ene de ne wo san u bisa no ye ne no kra de wo hwe asade wo koda ye no sumiama na dwene kakranti akoma no abafom na ene opeso odane ne nsem no ani kakra no enti omampani kogina ne ka ho kra wo sa frɛ na nasa na nabra na onse Emmanuel kasa no di kaka bibi se enra no na no kwese ada omampani si ni stress se ya ka se cameras no nyina kora mfiri nanim nko na wo ka kire wo hene ne se efri 1992 ebrono ya megina so ipon katamanso nto na ba ma mama nyuko MPP da na afe na mabanti na bibi ne nyantobo ase oseda boko ne ka ho frɛ no oseda na imom na woni ha no ohene no woni ha no na
ohene no woni ha no a wo kwan so de fa so
sa na mebe kan se ne ha wo no epuntudwuma ne ade no ewo ho nanso so wo kwan ye sese wo fa so ka no ema ne wo hwehwe no won sabetumi aka efri se umuna sika umuna ji ayede ma wo siriji ayede ma nanso sa wo siriji wie na wie che ona ne nipa kro koso etimi dinkita ho nya yonkofa no a eno beye papa sense wo be muna ne ye dia pachire wo se somoje
bagu
CJ
fa graphic no
ma fa graphic
fakuta
na o ma menkasa
debi so we bekasa uko munu an nya kasa na o kasa na
again as a person bomb elimination by rough tactics
elimination by rough tactics
of a kwebe so na aka kasa bo asho
say no ne asem no no rade adomeja ade nya achi de na ade achi minu mienu de nke kwa ahwe ake nche what you say kwaku de ke Taiwan e je ho jinye what you say
kwaku ke na beka
kama kwaju kranya mesa what you say ba bibia kama so ho ye de
ana pe me jealousy atade my yada
na se makacho se
my yada ye wachiri mai
yes obibi osiri mount up onche afo
kwaku daily graphic
na obibi nso onwum kroma odi mpamu da
mate
etina abikuso ho idi yes udi mechi a memema odudwe trato ntade wonkran
Mama Sasso. Mama
Wasaranda ose Mama Sasso.
Bibia e kama. Ye show no so ni da ho.
Never the bank at na person so Vivo smartphones. October ye release F papa. Say order Vivo smartphone, stunning design, superior quality, Bellaqua Active. Afi Dura Plus, where Dura Plus goes, water flows. Latest from your partner for life. Vodafone, the future is exciting. Ready? Nafi Agbeve Herbal Center. Wayarisa, Efi, Kwaku for daily graphic network. Fasha say.
Daily graphic near de chance na daily graphic no. Any name and panini, none was up as so much humamu. Tema community 22. Abaya estates were estates na enyagro. Eya makuma kwa henune 9 204. Ena mampanyine dia bosume makuma konkno edi asie. A ene wode aba monten. Se Ghana de hye, we de very affordable. Wahu edana ne abo ne be ba che se mampanyine wokotwa mu no. Na yesi ya ne yesi de magana de hye. Sa de be oba mfo benya ba bi de omutiri ato. Na eja wodoma nkoma kase. Ade san so amanfo ne namba banchekere no nya baabi na na kwakwa che no ne nyina ato eretimi etwa na kratafa a etoso aduonu enum page 25 en wade abeto Monte Peace Council for many abresa krodom mo se ade enye na enye enti mo se krom se aduasa mienu no makasa tia wodododuo constituency ento kwacha ne ma na homene so na wo manfo pa wo ho abotwa wo mu nchemu ma ebi mu prepraye no ene wo maba monte abekasa ede atia se pempe wasini pen yes wa ye bi atwa so ye nkaso wa ye bi ato aso wo se ye bon ko ni kwanse so ni ekukurumpo ni abeso a MPP ni NDC debia ye sori aso ni ye de pasundwe ena ye de we are committed to peace now so ye kwa ye ma no ye timi ntu omofo ma ne nko ma dwunim na afi o na monten no mo ye de o mo pe etie nei Peace Council for aba monten abekasa de atia se sune hunu ni mpre no so ni kwase biesi biom si e beto oba si ebe bo si ebe kenkan ye be declare enu achi se wodododuo MPP ni NDC we gina benkum we gina nifa te sa box in blue corner red corner na we to abo na we ato na akwaba akokra de oso crate ensa crate no ode jebo no to oto bona no de ensa crate na block no so ato bi e de aba Peace Council se time eni kwase so kwa ene de obokrata daily graphic Esembi ka hono de aba
and no one more on some kappa say here is a case and penny to a manufacturer for say Monshana sum Gembrano or Dina penny and him no bonnet in Kobe, so what here or Tisia Bontia was will be a bany.
Ghanaian Times.
Ghanaian Times, JT, Anna, Mama Suina, Sadia, CJ, Doctor, Sibo Kweku, Etchin Como, Anno Painum. Yes, see a name Pim Ediasa, and Pim Ediasa 30,000, and a woman to me and to a ba Adenya. What just say no about what didn't wrong my be mono, and Nipani Bebre didn't wrong woman Emra, she say ya to in a woman bubuso, and see Sanko from Bubu Busui, a woman answer woman etro, the woman dim, a year or control, I know a control, ewa multiple registrations, any home on the bano, Nina and Penia Kefua Frefre, and 1 year wo akakasi any what I say. Nipam media 30,000, and a woman to me and concotua ban, and no emuasem, and no. Ano pay yedi hun komo ewa ha sanso ena mampanim wasande aso bofom aso ye de bofom ya asemu aso foforo akwa no no assignment yese solid waste plant eno na ye kwakosi wo honom eno so ehun asem ya no pay wode aba eno no enti GT Ghanaian Times ensema no pay wono so a wode bi nam ena mabobosu
Chronicle the Obokrata no
kwakwa no du betwa to
mefa Chronicle na police for
na munsi
e de kokobo aba warning in omode magana de hye warning omode ma manwofo wo mo sesabe achichiri open moja dodo aye de nso framu ma no eni nti kokobo omode manyina ne se Chronicle dia bay nani adoka se boye die ni etu ado mefem yemum kokoko mama sanyina tibi so ye manwoni now nimna ya wadwene se ode wo matwofo mama kintina wama wa beti se tieni wo mo fanya hwe no de tutrasa no mo de ye na de mo bepiem wo polling station na se yensa so omumu a wo na wo soma nipa no ene nipa kro na nkasa no ma mo mienu mo bete pawo mo bete bobole bobo na ayi kan no ayi friends also better dre patapa police force wo mo be ma manwofo ate wo mo dre wo so wunim na wa adwe so be ya tutrasa ma ebeti wani so
oh man
ebeti wani so ma
na no nti odododo de ya na krofo kita create ni
mama ka se mentama don't cut my mouth eti DCOP doctor Saibu Padi Gariba, one na director of operations at my police for na phone ni die one na de kokobo ne baye. Na we ya babunu so. Na sa odi o ma ho kwan. Ne ya ka so beje kakra. E bia beje nkopi ase. Beje we nom. No ani sunya kra na yese krama bodamfo. Na kwa basa polling station. So ko for ballot box. Saudi aba Saudi sekai, Saudi atu, Saudi ejan, Saudi piano ekwo na akwa basa. Nani DCOP Dr. Saibu Padi Gariba se. So be piem police station no monsa so mu a. Ubo san pass emra wo Ghana. Emra wo Ghana pop. And then the Obokrata Chronicle. And what do we have?
We are going.
Heaven knows where we are. There be so who told him I met was. It's not a man tone for four. Uki
found there. Who dear no no Fauki.
Uki no from.
Maybe on the padlock key. Who found.
Also, Miss Woody as a patent in India.
We are going. We are going. Debbie. DJ, me go papa say ready.
Me say akwada obewu no. Was a father bottom kra.
And I say akwada obewu no say bempem kra tie ne nkwa.
Me say, aduane anu ebese otutu ebese, wono ebese, wo
heaven knows where we are going. We know we will baby.
We are going heaven knows where we are going. We know within.
Jim FM 106.3.
Akwedu Kumi na na kwe champa masafwedu. For Mario. .3 FM. Oh, here time now. Akasi Manu Edionu bakona no watche abo. Well, enyuma edase yi waya osibisa say ya wode. Na opesa wode ye wo call tunes a MTN ma usa kwanya no. Call MTN call tunes channel bia so na fe download it. Wa download we na ya from ya enjoy no wo so wunya cash e de gu kotokuo na watchi bia betime nya 1000 Ghana cedis wo so bia wunya 4000 Ghana cedis ansana the grand prize 15,000 Ghana cedis. Send a start Fako 1355 and also dial it star 1355 hash. Nafi subscribe it. To share a crowd. We day for you everywhere you go. Well, and Chebia, Baya Bosumiani, and Abay at Tree Crops Development Authority. Na Akuafua Wamodo Cashew. Authority ba ye ya no wambuafu se niema bi enkoyie na wam how poten mensa aka empanifo mienu ewo aha me no wam ebetwetwe enkomo empanifo ma kwaba
ya
awode wo hode
o nyankopon adom
enana mani nsan odaroma wudin
ye frame Nana Ameyaw Manu.
Nana Ameyaw Manu.
Yeah.
Oh, okay. But what for no he?
Mafo ewo Techiman.
Okay. Okay. Opani ba ton sudin.
Ye frame K Apenkwa.
K Apenkwa.
Yeah.
Wo so Techiman na wo.
Dabi Jaman Kwame Sekrum.
Kwame Sekrum.
Yeah.
Oh, okay. Nana why cashew afu be ye infiedo do seni.
Yo medawase. Na edin kan no mechia watiefo nyina
etiefo ajo
ne nipa yetie Nana Ameyaw wudi kan bisa midin na me National Vice President of Peasant Farmers Association.
Okay.
Entino and at the same time so me award winner 2019 Touch My Municipality. Enti kuya de o ka ye ka kuya ho asema wuntimi nka enja Nana Ameyaw achi enti no maye kuya no achere ya madok cashew from 1994 aba bepim sabre we nyina
ene wache
yeah
I see. Okay, Urapenkwa, mame embra wuso.
Yo.
Mohaupa ewo Tree Crops Development Authority no ehune dean ya.
Ye how pa ne se. You know abana ateno de ye prenso. Ye nyina nim se ye. But ye how ke se pa na ewom ni se pricing regime aban pesa odebano. Ena licensing regime no. Na
say eboa a man person or the cashew no edge ana wotono
no. Ena ade registration or person or register small buyers no. No pa na ye how.
Okay, you find mako.
Okay.
Nana pricing regime ebo no aban pese wo to cash you no efri mu nsem no o how e wo no anything
yo minua ebo no nka yen enha yen sa na mom ye de ohun bi pen no ya wasi ye chiri ohun fufura wasi ye chiri na de tie ne se ukoko divo ha ya enam mre bi aban no ye se o hihye bo e de amakuafo no enam so ma cashew no e kak Cote d'Ivoire atofo no antimi ankoto enti e kak Cote d'Ivoire e cherry ma afi kosan beto so no esa afi no kosan ben no e affect Ghana cashew because they do samre no na Cote d'Ivoire for no e small cashew no de ba sampa e beton ma atofo no na price no wo fam last 2 years Tanzania, the same thing happened Tanzania. At abano yes a world trap born ya deno. A cop fat and sembe brebe, and also and I'm so affected Ghana cashew. At of one na be gu eco gu Tanzania. Price no ne wofum ni sentino Ghana cashew price no ankosro. Enti board na abano atino. Ye ni problem ho na nipa no aye kwotena se ahihye ebo no anhwe ya ebedu ba bi no e de hawo kakra be man enti nanka yesre abanse wonya hwehwe mu na won the right people ye betimi atena se na ne akuafo no ahia
okay enti mo how no eye nipa mekire ankurankura individuals no a womo kwatena se no
sa
please
ya rap and quiet
if you say yefa Mr. Alex say ya or your company be na rep
no so far womo wo sa committee no so no hwan
Mr. Alex
Denia
Alex
no ya president
and Mr. Smith one Mr. Smith and Chief Adams yeah share Mr. Alex say ya or your company be rep ya company no wo gan ha autocashew so and the obekwa akoye de ebe favor ni company no so obema
they say at the end of the day no ebo no be form
kra so de ebe favor ni company no be because cashew business no is so dynamic say foreigners no last year for instance more company eba system no ma ebe ma price no akosoro because when the many companies are chasing fewer goods, definitely the price will go up. So, Eddie, we already Nadia ever boy.
I see.
Yeah,
I see. I think other issue I'm raising a license. Or up and no so more how no anything.
License no.
Apart from pricing regime, no.
License cashew tono. You will nipa be in between. The exporters and the farmers.
Your middlemen.
Yeah, small traders. Yeah, or my commission.
Okay.
Say, for my own investigation, no, or more de ye be a bar. What the licenses ya won't even go to be. A basaswa, mimic room for instance, kwame sick room, boys no more or more bachelor or mopa. Nipano be in the mingo cashew. So in the Abama, Sam Mr. Alex in Momongwa, Nebetim Atokashu, Ebasa, Ombama price not a cut down, said the baby figure of companies. So indeed, all the Abanama market in your more open. No biamra, Ubiaba, Ubia the Niskabana or Babatoa, and no crabama bono, a costro said ye, Debia, no.
Okay. Nana Fabi so rap and quadi.
Yo, dear, excuse me. Dear, me person me come say. Kwanya, unum fast even yet board no kwasim ni anko yi papa. Enti no min hu kwanya e faso binum kan say obi embe enkwaje lances ansana watinya beto cashew. Wabra ye woni pa ana say merchants na wonum free abroad ba no wonum wo rep wo ha
but nana
wonum be sianso say yento how come say yen sarim free e kire nkwaje lances foforo me no ma register me company
nana ba to me ba say ye pese ye de nhyehyɛ a ɛfa koko ho ɛde ɛyɛ toto cashew ho a koko yɛ license buyers ɛwɔ hɔ ɛno nso kora aboa ma koko adwuma no ɛkɔ n'anim nti yɛpɛ sɛ yɛpagya cashew adwuma no mu nso deɛ a wone manya adwene sɛ saa license buyers yi ɔmbɛboa ana
license buyers
mo na mo adwuma nim
but license buyers no we agree say foreigners na wo no beto no obia bekita license Ghana government I recognize this nipa no say wo kita license say or beto cashew number individual ran ewo grassroots no nkura no a say bi wonu kɔ farming gate kɔtɔ de ba urban centers no wonu so enkoje license a ebe say nkura no nyina aguma because akura already then bebre nim register general kura ohina obekɔ no akɔgye license ansa na obeto cash
yan chance en free baby a mfie num mfie du mfie du no eba bebe cash adwuma no betimi agina because me dis say ya no rap nkwa ye share sa koko license registration ni ade yi asenti ene die bi ebe ye den because obi ho onim baby a registrar general kra ewo but nkakran mfie be ye du ntam no na agina obi akura license onni bia untimi ento na maka hwe adwuma no
eno ndi a ye pese abane de ye akuafo no hyemmo na ye mo ye consult ye homo na ye more views about it na etima ye say adwuma no
are you saying say na ekoso nyina no abane consult mo cashew farmers
dabi say ne benam kuro so abepese be form members
any thing make us say criteria ye fa so e di even board members
no
yanti am say one
me ba on the board no more farmers no more rep ewo board no
minim almost say one Mr. Chief Adams
money no
na obati cashew board pa na German South anase techiman ni board no so a bono east ba bia cashew adwuma no wa benimu no wanyi nipa mfiri ho a board no what any saying
chief mamemfa wimra
na meet you
ansana cashew ebeboade ewo Ghana ha no enam nipa bi so ansana cashew ebeboade na saa nipa no a enam wonum so a cashew bai no menji ni se ba kokora ka board no ena ye wonipa bi wa wotinkran ha
saa nipa mi no mo ti ase
me si nipa bi no man ka
okay me ka so se nipa bi no okay
saa nipa no nyina wo ho
okay
na saa nipa ya wonum abeda saa board no so no wonum nyina atinkran ha ene tema afeso a na cashew no start no ena wonum sisa ye nema de ba se ye beto cashew ya ye wo grassroots no bia ni ho a ne din ka saa board hu nkuransa kintampo techiman atebubu kwame danso ena part of adwira ena ye do cashew ewo bono is na saa nipa bia saa panimfo bia ni ho a ni din ba board no so two sa wukọ bono region so a every brekum ekwa akopim kwame say kurom jape kurom drobo sa akopim sampa eho na cashew no ndika Ghana ahoden a ejina cashew sin nyina ewo sa region bi nim sa region bi no nipa ba kokura ni ho a ofiri mu a obeka sa cashew board ho na de etwema wo kran se sa pani ya Chief Adams obi anim no system no se even odo cashew de enim se boli wom se cashew ho de boli cashew no ento even damango mimi woni pa wo damango a woto cashew di mame ye friend Zambuja ena bi wo chache na body wono de ma cashew yetinin kan se ye fa free bona na ya twaba chache aba boli fie na ne wo kofa cashew farmer a wo beka board on na wo kofa free ball a mingi ni se ebeboa yɛnhwɛ nipa yɛyɛ cashew adwuma no na yɛnim cashew adwuma no ho so asɛm yie pa ansa na yɛtumi afɔm board no anya saa na yɛdi agora board no ɛyɛ sɛ aban afɔm nanso yɛbɛduru baabi no aban ne nsa bɛsi fam.
Okay, enti urapem kwa anamo a mopɛ sɛ mutu ɛfa saa proposals here na yɛdi kan ɛfa pricing no ɛho ɛna afei licensing ɛho asɛm no so makan anamo bɛ na mpɛ sɛ mutu ɛfa ho
yɛpɛ sɛ ɛfa pricing no aba ne nyaa ne saa sɛdeɛ yɛtɔn dada no ma companies biara mmra ɔmɔba na obiara mɛma ne price cashew no hyɛ aseɛ foforɔ no a from December to March no yeah high quality ndi ne bo no timi shoot a ko app and this every May coping June July yeah nzu eto na quality no aba form and dey yeah bo no timi ba down kakra ndi wo dey abane nya na sa ase tono no beboaye because Cote d'Ivoire ye bi no da bia be cashew no ka ho so say abane o twa bo kra wo betwa bo amaye nanga wo anga sa wato dia ngeye bete obi free baby ne de niskar ba ba shim ndi utwa bo no ma ya emwa why ndi
se cashew bo no ejina sen
se ejina somewhere Ghana had just don't know 4 cities
for
per kilo
4 cities per kilo
yes 4 cities per kilo which means that samre ya ejina 4 cities nyame bo by December Ibitima start no may say 5 cities. So and the afibi wo ha ibitima aboaye pa dan say yebe ma apaka to say ebia yendon 4 cities across.
Okay. Well, Nana, once a month etwa to na afei yankan komo to twin NC.
Massimo etwa to ne say Yamaha say be politics. Me in farming business no. Me ne sebi Mr. Fifi Kote aye adwuma wa bra na NDC wo power. Ena ene Dr. Akuto Osei aye adwuma. In fact, me kura no edin kan nanka me pese me da Dr. Akuto Osei kese ene Nana Akufo-Addo aban ase se peasant farmers mere bia ya de yasem kwato wonu anima wonu mpusueti na yaje atum em se ye rice farmers wonu de yasem bi bedan se emo no agu ho ayento ya de beto wonu anima na eni na otwemi nukura ena wonu stop importation of rice fertilizer subsidy ya de kwato wonu anim ye boa yen enti sesi ya asem we so a ye de aba no ye besere se aban onyan hwehwemu criteria e fa so ya de te board no aban yan hwehwemu na ye hwe kwampa ye be fa so na abade no nanim be banyam
na na sesi ya mo akuafo no munni board no so no mususu se dachi bi ede pa na besi
se kuani ni board no so a na wo obi a wo to cashew wonko akọ transit se wo hihye board ya ma kuani a in fact better na ne board so price no beba no ebia na M1 no because cashew ne do no enye easy obeto woody side na bin mo fa pa na ye pruning ene de akika enti ebeduru mbre bi no o se cashew no mfa so bia maso bebre unim se to cashew no na eduru rain season cashew price na akofam no bebre nsisa cashew na wo mo jam na pro because obebo pa se yen kwasisa cashew ma no na nipa no beko ebia ede no obeje ne 20 cedis per head na ofa nipa be se 10 na osisa wie na obeduru shell na se wanya bo papa bia de ba nse ne cashew no empro enti bebre timi ma cashew no eguase e pro ese kwa enti de yesra ne se aban wonti nani enhwe cashew board no iye pa na yenhwe kwampa ye be fa so a ye be ye ama ban no nani mabanya.
Okay, me da say what happened kwa What's me try to nah, I'm sorry.
Okay.
Eyo, me da si. Ti empenufo a wo mo efri kashi wekuafo na me no mo atwetwe enkomo no already so ukọ adomonline.com story no eda ho enti well yenhwe in the coming days near aban no betumi aye ede afa ho ede amawo medamase penfo medamase pa
Thank you.
okay
So wanya ya hombre.
okay Adam 106.3 FM Mantiano I crowd with the latest from the world of sports na yefa aseda emfa ema nyumekwe omadaroma ne de obon krata no naposo no ye de ebrewo Vivo smartphones stunning design superior quality and afi Belaqua active woman so cry asene so na Duraplast where Duraplast goes water flows and a latex foam your partner for life and Agbeve Herbal Center Wayarisa Efi Omadaroma and yadi de bon krata no yade ebrewo and man no crowd ko bi stone no kuma kra ba kwa waka ensroja edura enyono numero 1 shishi and afi Eric Asidu Bwedi o my crowd with the latest